We want to make sure that Macon County's legacy has an eye to the past so that we can build a stronger future together.
To leave a legacy of pristine, clean, beautiful, comfortable location to bring families and share the spirituality of this county and its land with their own families.
We are so blessed here in Macon County to live where we live. The water's clean, the air is clean, the mountains are around us. People come from all over and are just astounded. We want to have a positive experience for everybody. Macon County Parks and Recreation aims to leave a legacy of different activities for every generation.
What we encourage from a town standpoint and from a county standpoint is to make this feel like your home. While you're here, whether you're a resident or a visitor, we want you to feel what a community, a small town atmosphere is truly like.
I'm proud to be a Macon County resident. This is a place where I wanted to live and raise my family. And living in a rural community, I think that's something that Macon County appeals to a lot of folks, and it's a lot like a family. That's a legacy that Macon County's carried on from our forefathers and something that I would like to pass along to the next generation.
Me personally, the legacy of Macon County would be always a caring county.
Everybody's in it together and cooperating for the greater good. That sort of feeling really does come through in this area.
A true sense of community, the sense of responsibility that the people who live here have for each other. My grandparents used to bring us here. We used to come every summer with them. And I remember going gem mining and tubing and playing in the rivers. And I moved here specifically to raise my children because this is such a great area.
Our area here is absolutely rich with history.
My ancestors settled the area in the early 1700s, like a lot of us around here. And I remember one time we were up on Warrior Creek. It just dawned on me, wow, my grandfather and great-grandfather and his father all fished the same stream. When we went fishing, we were taught not to take all of them out of the stream and just take what you need and not take the biggest or the smallest. Try to leave seed stock behind.
Macon County is just the perfect place to be because there's so many wonderful things here. There's areas that are completely untouched, that are just so beautiful and natural. The people have such big hearts.
We feel strongly that we want you to be welcomed and come in and shop with us.
Come participate in our hometown and let us make you feel like one of us.